जस्ट थिंक व्हाई यू स्टार्टेड सोशल मीडिया। तुम्हारे दिमाग में ये आ रहा होगा टू कीप अप विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली, ये जानने के लिए कि उनकी लाइफ में क्या चल रहा है ना। दैट्स नॉट अ बैड रीजन, बट एज सोसाइटी बिकम मोर डिपेंडेंट ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, द इंटेंडेड यूज फॉर द सोशल मीडिया और हम किस चीज के लिए उसको इस्तेमाल कर रहे हैं अभी आर टू कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट थिंग्स। वी यूज आवर स्मार्टफोन कंपल्सिवली लाइक अ हिट ऑफ एडिक्शन।
वो तो बहुत खतरनाक है। मेरे मुताबिक सबसे खतरनाक इंस्टाग्राम, क्योंकि उसका शॉट तुम्हें हर 5 मिनट पे चाहिए।
It takes away your attention from what is important to a not so important online world. But it's not the end of the world. People are addicted to phones and still they are going to work. Countries are still being run. मे बी, बट इस एडिक्शन का इफेक्ट तब दिखता है जब तुम अपने कोई दोस्त के साथ बहुत अच्छी कन्वर्सेशन में हो एंड थिंग्स आर गोइंग वेरी वेल। सडनली यू नीड अ शॉट ऑफ दैट एडिक्शन, यू पुल योर फोन आउट फॉर नो रीजन rather than focusing on the person that is front of you, you are just swiping your home screen, not really paying attention of what the other person really saying. And other time you trying to get some work done but it's boring, you see yourself going to the new tab button and typing Y and entering, और तुम भूल जाते हो तुम 5 मिनट पहले कहाँ थे। And if you are someone who uses phone more than he likes, it's not entirely your fault. In social media platforms को बनाया ही इसलिए गया है from ground up to be as addictive and keep you on their platform as long as possible. It is designed to trigger our brain in a way that has never been triggered before by such an unuseful activity. Social media यूज करने के बाद ऐसा तुम्हें ऐसा लगता है कि तुम एक सोसाइटी के पार्ट हो, तुम्हें सब जानते हैं, तुम सबको जानते हो, बट इन रियलिटी यू barely know anyone. तुम एक लड़की से बात कर रहे हो जिससे तुम Instagram पर मिले हो, but in reality you are never going to meet her in real life. You see this person posting their adventurous life and you think they are doing very great in their life, but in reality they are as miserable if not more than you. These multi-billion dollars companies making money through your attention. So now what are the solutions? Here's the 5 simple steps that you can take to curb your phone addiction. Number 1, sleep with your phone outside of your room. You will at least get 10% improvement in your quality of life by just doing this. We all been there where we can't sleep at night and funny cat videos are just 3 feet away. तुम अपने फोन में लग जाते हो, Instagram पे स्क्रॉल करने लग जाते हो और तुम्हें ये पता भी नहीं चलता कि it's 4 AM already and now you hate yourself. You already destroyed your tomorrow before the tomorrow even begun. अपने फोन को अपने रूम से बाहर करो. The best way to do this is अपने चार्जर को किसी दूसरे रूम में लगाओ, या तो हॉल में या किचन में या even in the bathroom, anywhere, just not where you sleep, and charge your phone there while you sleep. And you can't have the charger where you sleep. This is the best thing that you can do to reduce your phone usage and improve the quality of your sleep. The second one, after you do this, have a phone free morning. Following on from leaving your phone outside of your room, तुम सबसे अच्छी चीज कर सकते हो अपने लिए, you do not use your phone as long as you can after you wake up, ideally until you get outside of your home, instead of falling into the pitfall of Instagram story, unending group messages. तुम डिसाइड कर रहे हो कि तुम्हें मॉर्निंग में करना क्या है, इससे तो किसी चीज पर रिएक्ट नहीं कर रहे हो. Instead of strategizing your day in a reactive state, you are doing it proactively now. Third step is turning all the notifications off. The phone is there for you to use, not it to use you, and certainly not for other people to step into your life. Imagine करो तुम किसी के साथ बाहर हो, suddenly एक पर्सन आता है, वो तुमसे बात करने लग जाता है and he just keep interjecting between you two. तुम यही फील करो ना कितना चूतिया पर्सन है ये. By leaving your notifications on, you are allowing the whole internet to do that to you. For the most part, all the chats, especially the group chats, they are not important. Some of them are not even meant for you. हमें ये notification मिल रहा है कि कोई और ने किसी और से क्या बात की है, वो दोनों किस बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, और ये तुम्हारे वर्क फ्लो को खराब कर रहा है. You are doing something important और तुम्हें ये notification मिल रहा है कि उसने उससे किसी तीसरे पर्सन के बारे में क्या बात की है. This is the change that you need to make. Go to the setting and turn off the notifications of everything. It doesn't matter. तुम्हें कुछ दिन एंजाइटी होगी कि what if there is some emergency or what if I miss something serious. Believe me, if there is something serious, they will ring. By doing this, nothing will change other than the fact your day doesn't get annihilated by the people sending you random stuff from the internet. Number 4, move icons away from the home screen. Home screen is so fucking customizable nowadays. तुम बहुत सारी distractions put कर सकते हो उस पे, और you can have such a clear screen that there is nothing but to focus, which has proven to reduce your usage because it increases friction. I literally just have phone and a payments app on my home screen, just that, and I removed everything else that I don't want. I literally have to scroll 5 pages to just reach to app library. And finally, at number 5, have a screen time widget on your home screen. This is what a home screen widget looks like. This allows you to see how much time you are spending on screen. Every time you open and unlock your device, you will have this big number in front of you telling you how bad you are doing today. That will regulate your phone usage much more accurately. This day, phone is the biggest distraction between you and full life. So reduce your usage and get to work.